Hey there, Eric with RegFox here. In this video guide, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and add a web navigation to your RegFox page. Really helpful if you want to give people quick access to jump to different parts of your website or link out to external pages like your own website or to hotel and lodging, or even a link to email you. All that is possible within the navigation feature. So to activate the navigation feature, we're going to hit the pencil icon here in the header settings, and we're going to go down here to the navigation setting. Right here, we can toggle this on. You can see I already have a few options in here already. And if I close and let you preview this, that is what this has down here. So we have an about the event, location, register, contact, and you can see it fits nice below my header area. So if I go back here and edit it, let me walk you through some of the controls. One is you have the font size and the styles. So we can make the font color, maybe we'll do a light gray. In the background, let's go ahead and do like a blue. And so we can hit done on that, and you can see that changes the style and appearance of it like that. We also can change the font weight. So if we want it to be bold, italic, underline, we have all those controls there. Then the actual links, you can build as many of these links as you want in here by using this add link option. You just would give it a label here and then choose what you want it to do. So you have two options here on the top. One is an external link, maybe to a PDF, your own website, hotel accommodations, sponsors, whatever you want, something that would link out from RegFox somewhere else. You also have one for email. So if you want to have people click that link and it goes to a certain web address, you can insert that there. And when they click that link, it's going to open up a new email to that email address. Then for jumping people to different parts of the page, you can use this jump to section. So referencing some of these options up here, we have a location that's going to jump down to the location field. The about the event jumps to the section that describes the event. For the register, we have that going down to the heading. You can see all the other registration fields in here. So as you build fields on the RegFox page, you can give a way to quickly jump down to those locations. Pretty awesome. So if I hit save and preview, we can see how that works. So I can go here, jumps down to this section right there. We also can go to location, jumps to the location there. We can do the register, and it jumps down to the registration side. So this allows your RegFox page to work as an event website for you and have all the different ways to have an interaction there. So let's talk about different ways to control it with the logo. So right now, when I've got the logo in the center, what it does is it puts the navigation below it, and that is going to be there. If I move the logo to the left or to the right, you see that my navigation goes up to the top right. So it got rid of the blue background, but my light gray now needs to be kind of fixed. So I can go back over here. I can change the link styles, and I can change maybe that to a blue. And so now that's going to give me a better view here. And so when I save and preview this, I have the same exact functions, but it now just has the navigation on the top. When you use the sticky navigation, if I go back here and edit, I can use make header sticky. And if I save and preview this, you'll also have that section stay on top the entire time. So as you jump around, that header stays up there, which can be a nice convenient feature if you want to keep that always on the top there. Going back here, let's go and reset this back to the standard that I had. We'll take this back to the light gray. That is all good. We have a second section for a navigation that also can help your attendees as well. So let me walk you through some of these. So this is configurable by turning it on or off. So if it's off, if I preview here, you see there's nothing on the very top. But if I go and configure this and turn it back on, we'll go to the helper navigation, turn it on, and we're going to create the background color to be a dark black, let's say, and let's do the link color as a light gray. And so what you can see there is I now have kind of what is a little super nav on top there. And so that can give quick access to common things. The most common is going to be resending the confirmation email from your registrants. So that they revisit the website, they can click this, insert their email address, and they'll get their confirmation sent right back to them. So a nice, great option for you to add to your RegFox page. Going back, let's go look at some of the other options. We have the transfer, and this is where somebody who's an existing registrant can transfer their registration to somebody else. And that other person needs to pay and take their spot before they are refunding. It's a great process, allows you to have a strict no refund policy, but if someone wants to transfer it to another attendee, they can do it. So when the other attendee goes and buys the spot, the original attendee will get a refund. The login link allows you to have people log into the page, recall some prior information about themselves. So if you have a recurring event where people are always coming back, always registering on your pages, you can speed that up for them if you want by allowing this to use saved billing information at checkout. They don't have to re-enter their credit card. Really kind of nice. The contact is going to open up a window and you can insert certain instructions here for how to contact you. So let me throw a couple examples in here. So there I've inserted some contact information and then hotel and lodging information. So you can use the navigation. If you've got an existing partner, you can insert hotel and lodging, externally link out to your own website, but you also can use this feature where you can describe it here and it's going to put a custom set of text for people to understand. You can add any sorts of links and things in here as you want, so you can have that there. But we also have this really cool feature which allows you to enter the address of your event, and this will show local hotels automatically for you. So a great feature here. I'm going to enter in some information here and you can see what this looks like. All right, so I've inserted some information, requires your address and a date window. I can hit done and let's go and save and preview and look at all these options. So I have my helper nav here. The resend asks for your email address for an attendee. They can get their confirmation resent. Login, they can insert their email address. They can stay on the page. It'll populate known information to them, or they can go to the self-servicing portal. The contact opens up a window, gives you some details to contact you guys and instructions there. And the hotel and lodging, then I can see in here available hotels that are around. So I can now browse hotels and see different options to book for my stay, and they're all around the given dates. So this has got a lot of different controls. You can choose different settings in here, but a great way for your attendees to find local accommodations. So there you go. That is it for the navigation tools here in RegFox. Hopefully this has been helpful. A lot of controls in here, a lot of customization. We love it because it helps you have the exact event experience that you want on your RegFox page. So thanks for joining me on this video. We'll catch you on the next one.